Good morning, comrades. You're watching Overland in van style way, and I'm in the middle of Albert Desert. So I deployed here last night, watched sunset, let two ferrets at the same time run around, watch the previous episode. That's the first time, well, because there is nowhere to run for them. So it was perfect. Did some editing, and now I'm wrapping up with some editing. Before I move to the coast, it's gonna be 10 to 12 hour drive today. I'm probably gonna arrive at the coast or near the coast somewhere. I need to plot, see buffering for 2 gas stops, probably 3, but buffering for that. Plus, no, actually I'm not gonna do Walmart and none of that. I shopped, but I'm gonna buffer probably 13 hours even and see where I'm gonna arrive. But it's already almost noon, so I'll be arriving somewhere almost 11 or 12, but it's worth it. So I have next 6 days full at the coast. In fact, what I'm probably gonna do is once I calculate this, I'm gonna call an RV campground. I'm gonna make sure to research one that has Wi-Fi, closer to civilization, but this way Wi-Fi is probably going to be better. Arrive very late, make sure I have a spot and Wi-Fi, do the episode upload. It's going to be 2. I'm going to schedule for another day, another one, and yeah, and basically start fresh tomorrow. Maybe well, probably gonna sleep in quite a bit, but in the evening I'm gonna do some clamming somewhere, and yeah, that's kind of a plan. I'm probably gonna come out on the highway somewhere near Florence area, but the day after I want to do some muscle gathering. Seemed cliffs on satellite images, it seemed like north of it, so I'm gonna have to head north back again in to either tomorrow or the day after, do that and then come back south again. What's up, little guys? I had to wake them up right now, kind of save time, pre-run them here a little bit in the crib, and while the episode is processing, and then I gotta quickly insert some music into another episode and start processing that one and kind of pack up and yeah, start driving. Yeah, I walked a little distance from the car to them just to see where they're gonna, well, they recognize there's like big attractive shady spot, so they'll probably go to the car eventually. But good thing, no hawks to watch out for here, at least I don't see anything, you know, nothing out here, so I can just let them roam a little bit. Hey buddy, how do you like desert? Muscat is venturing off. Muscat! Идем. Yeah, he started venturing off, but come on, follow me. Yeah, you went too far. Yeah, little guy. Don't know what to do. I'll smile to the camera. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Yeah, if I'm tripping with ferrets again, ever on a long trip, I should buy like a little ladder, because look at this guy. He's trying to get up onto the base, either drink or eat or just in the shade. He's cruising, he keeps trying to jump on tires and so on, but he's like looking up. Come on, I want to go up. I think someone is doing rollerblade surfing here. Alright, all packed and ready to go. It's gonna be a long ride, not looking forward to it. I hate these big stretches, you know, 10-12 hour drive. It's crazy, but gotta do it. Stopped at Subway here in Burns, I think the city is called. The connection is pretty bad, but I started making a bunch of calls to Florence RV campgrounds, even state park, and everything's reserved. It's apparently Saturday today, so yay, good timing for return to the coast. So I'm like, okay, well, let's see, from Eugene to Florence, maybe there's some campgrounds, there's a few BLMs. I was gonna try, I called one actual campground, but they didn't reply. So as I was already plotting for BLM, a lady called, and yeah, they got a spot, so I booked it. It's gonna cost me something like 32 bucks, and I'm gonna have internet connection, so I already asked for the password and everything up front, because I'm gonna arrive there probably 10 or something like that. Alright, fueled up. I think my GPS said that the next fuel stop is something like 160 miles from this little town. So I guess I'm gonna be driving in the middle of nowhere, I have no idea. But currently Google says 5 hours 20 minutes till that campground, so that's not till Florence. It would have been more. But it's okay, at least I got a place to sleep, I got my internet ready. Good to go. Got coffee. 5 more freaking hours. Alright, let's go. Finally arrived at RV campground after like 9 hours or something on the road, or 10, I'm not sure, but time to take a nap. So see you guys next episode. Well, I hope you liked this episode, and if you did, you can support me by hitting the like button and subscribe, and also check out my previous videos by hitting the links below or just after this video.